Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the VPN connection failed due to unsuccessful domain name resolution, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. So here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. And in the run window, type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and make sure to check the option at obtain DNS server automatically. The second one should not be checked even if you're using Google's own DNS. Select it at obtain DNS server address automatically. Click on OK and then on OK and then restart your computer. I'll tell you what will happen in this case. Now it says that the VPN connection failed due to unsuccessful domain name resolution. If you use a static DNS server address, in that case it may or may not resolve as per the VPN connections requirements, but if you are instructing the system to pick it up automatically, then there's no option but to check for the best VPN, the best DNS server address for any connection. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.